Hey there, language learners! Welcome back to Everyday English Naturally, where we make learning English fun and practical. I'm Diana, and today we're going to explore the essential phrases and words you need to know for navigating the airport. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or it's your first time flying, these phrases will help you communicate effectively and make your journey smoother. So let's get started. All right, let's jump right in with our first phrase, check-in. Check-in. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for airline name Saaj? I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
All right, I'm all checked into my flight.
Next up, we have boarding pass. Boarding pass. Can I see your boarding pass, please? You need your boarding pass to go through security.
Molly, boarding pass.
Oh, thanks. Kurt.
Your boarding pass, please.
Oh, sure.
Moving on, let's talk about security check. Security check. Please place your bags on the conveyor belt for the security check. You'll need to remove your shoes for the security check.
Area security check. Right.
Now, let's discuss gate. Gate. Which gate does my flight depart from? The boarding for flight number will begin at gate 12E.
That's 52 gates. You saw the airport design.
Well, there it is, honey. Gate 18A, 830.
Another important phrase is layover. Layover. How long is the layover in Paris? I have a 3-hour layover before my next flight.
I mean, Portugal is their layover.
8 o'clock to Dubai. 3-hour layover.
Next, let's look at baggage claim. Baggage claim. Where is the baggage claim area? I need to pick up my luggage at baggage claim.
I'll see you at baggage claim.
Noise, I'm at the baggage claim.
And now, customs. Customs. Do I need to declare any items at customs? After you pick up your bags, you'll go through customs. We also have flight status. Flight status. Can you check the flight status for flight number? The flight status shows a delay of 2 hours.
Or they revoke your flight status. And mine.
Instate the trainees. The flight status.
Let's not forget departure lounge. Departure lounge. Is there a departure lounge I can use while I wait? The departure lounge is on the 2nd floor. Next is on time. On time. Is the flight to London on time? The flight is scheduled to depart on time.
Thank God your flight was on time.
Just checking if Flight 51 is on time.
Another useful phrase is delayed. Delayed. The flight has been delayed by 2 hours. Why is the flight to Tokyo delayed?
It's delayed. How delayed?
Listen, my flight's been delayed all day. I'm still in PO.
Lastly, we have final call. Final call. This is the final call for flight number to Los Angeles. Passengers for flight number, please proceed to the gate for final call.
Final boarding call for the
final call for flight 1559.
There you have it. These are some of the most common phrases and words you'll encounter at the airport. Practice these phrases and you'll feel more confident and prepared for your next trip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English Naturally, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Safe travels and see you in the next video.